welcome. I'm going to show you how to do just a couple things under the hood today of your Fiat 500. This is a 2015 Fiat 500c. I'm going to show you how to access your air filter, access your spark plugs, and a couple other things. Really basic tools that you need to do this. You need your socket wrench, an 8mm socket. I like to have a little extender on there, just makes it a little bit easier. And you need yourself a flathead screwdriver. So first thing, we're going to look at this part right here. This is literally just held on with a couple, I don't know what they're called, little things that press down, so you don't need any tools. There's one in each corner, one right there, one right there, one right there. One in the back. All right, let you take that off. And this is the air filter right here. You might not have this. This is just a sticker letting you know there's a K and N filter in this one, so it's a reusable filter that gets oiled, used over and over again. So to get this whole thing off here, there's 1, 2, 3 8mm bolts. This is kind of held in by a clip on the back, and then you've got connection here, and then the connection here to the air filter. So first thing, I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these bolts right here. There's one right there. They are pretty long. Just keep pulling. They do come off eventually. All right, that one's undone. That one's good. You'll be able to see the one back here when you look in. Okay, so that's all loose. That's good. You take your flathead screwdriver and you're gonna loosen this guy right here. That lets that pull off. This thing you're gonna leave attached, you're gonna pull it off from right here. And it just loops over. And then this is attached right here as well. Oh, and we got this thing in the back. You can just unclip that real quick. Oh, no, not quite loose enough on that bolt there. Okay. That should give us some coverage here. Cool. And you can take that whole part out. This part right here is the air filter. If you want to take the air filter out, just undo these screws right here and you can change your air filter. I said this one is a K&N reusable and it's already oiled, so I'm not going to take it out of there, but that is how you get to that. So we're going to set that aside for now. All right, now once you're inside here, these are going to switch up here at a 10mm. Gonna be 10mm here. So your spark plugs gonna be down in here. Now you can get one of these off without also removing this. Otherwise, you're going to have to pull this sucker off right here. It may drip a little bit of oil out when you do it, so be a tiny bit careful. But you can take this apart. I'll wiggle that off of there. And that'll kind of free this whole area up right here. Now these are held in place by the 10mm bolt, as well as you got your electrical thing right there. So I'm going to use my screwdriver again. These are, I find them a little bit tricky. Basically, I'm going to get that screwdriver hooked in the tab there. It's going to let me pull that plastic piece out. See that? So that is what the tab looks like. You get that 10mm. And these are all going to be held on by those bolts. Once you've got that out, go ahead and separate the clip here. Remember, if I pull it up or push it down. Oh, there we go. All right, so the clip actually separates right there. I thought it separated up here, so just when you do that, be aware it's going to come off right there. And that'll let you get the plug out. And then your spark plug is going to be down inside there. Awesome, so that's how you access under the engine and the spark plugs. Hey, welcome back everybody. So now we're going to go ahead and actually remove the spark plugs. So you're going to take your 10mm attachment and your socket wrench. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Already taken this one out. Go ahead and just remove those, put those somewhere safe. Actually, I already misplaced the other ones. I'm gonna have to find that. So I'm gonna set these somewhere safe. And then you've got your electrical connectors. So again, I've already mostly undone this one here. Get this little yellow clip out. Black tab right here, you're gonna press down on that. That'll pop the pin out. And that will allow you to take the plug out. So we're gonna do that to each one. These pins are just a little tricky to get out. There's a little black tab that you're gonna pull up on. And I've just got a flathead screwdriver here and just want to get it right under that tab just to help Give you a little bit of leverage to pull it out. These parts are plastic, so be a little bit careful. There we go. And this black tab right here, we're going to push that down. There we go. That one could definitely be cleaned up a little bit. All right, and then to put the new ones in, put it all back together, we're just gonna do the process backwards. Well, you can see what I did just there. You want to be a little careful when you're putting the stuff back in that you're not pinching the wires. So, as far as the wiring goes. Top like that. So I'll fix that.